Hello, everyone. My name is Grace Odell, and this is my expectations matrix. So for my settings, I chose for the first one, I chose the art table. I chose this one because there are usually a lot of kids at this table, and we keep high expectations for this area because there are a lot of dangerous things like scissors and just it's typical things that are at like art tables. For my second setting, I did the playground because again, we have very high expectations. There are a lot of places where something could go wrong if there weren't expectations for the children. For my third setting, I did the bathroom. For the fourth setting, I did the morning meeting rug. And for my fifth setting, I did the breakfast and lunch table. So for my first broad area, I chose control your body. So for the art table, this looks like slowing down and looking around you for other friends. So slow down, look around, see who's there. For and when using scissors, be very careful and sit very still. I didn't write on there, but ask for permission to use scissors. And then for the playground for controlling your body, when you are playing on the playground, make sure you watch out for your friends. And when you are standing in line to go outside or to go inside from the playground, make sure you are standing still so the teacher can see you. It's very important. For the third setting and controlling your body, while you are waiting in line for the bathroom, we need to against the wall, stand still and against the wall so our other friends and teachers can get past us. And when we are in the bathroom, we need to pay close attention to the other friends that are in the bathroom and make sure we are using our eyes to check and make sure it is safe to open and close the doors. And then for the morning meeting rug and controlling your body, when sitting on the morning meeting rug, we need to sit crisscross applesauce with our hands on our laps. And when we are dancing on the morning meeting rug, we need to keep our arms and legs to ourselves so we do not accidentally hit or kick one of our other friends. For the breakfast and lunch table, when we are sitting at the table, we need to sit seat to seat, back to back, and tummy to the table with our hands in our laps. When at the table, we need to sit very still so we do not cause accidents or hurt our teachers or friends while they are serving food. So for the second area, my second broad area, I chose walking feet. I feel like that's very common thing to say, especially in early childhood care. So walking feet while at the art table. Walk to the art table. When you are make sure we are walking to the art table, and when we are getting our scissors, walk slowly to your seat. For going outside, when we are going out inside or outside to the playground, we need to walk slowly so the teachers can see and count everyone. When we are in the bathroom, we need to walk slowly so we do not slip and fall and hurt ourselves. When we are going to the bathroom, we need to walk slowly so we do not run into our friends and hurt them or ourselves. For the morning meeting rug, when we are going to the morning meeting rug, we need to walk slowly and watch out for our friends. And when we are leaving the morning meeting rug to a different activity, we need to walk slowly and watch out for our friends. And then when we are going to the table, the lunch table, or away from the table, we need to walk very slowly and watch out for our friends and for our teachers. For the third area, I put quiet voices. So for the art table, talk slow or talk softly so you can hear your teachers and your friends. We are always we always use our quiet voices in the classroom unless someone is hurt or in danger. When we are for the playground, when we are standing in line to go outside to the playground, we need to use our quiet voices so we can hear the teacher talking to us. And when we are outside, we do not scream unless someone is hurt or in danger. There's a lot of controversy at my center regarding like that aspect of like our expectations because some of the teachers thinks that it's okay for the children to just run around and scream, which it is, but sometimes there needs to be an expectation of like, okay, if you're screaming, like some people say bloody murder, then we need to make sure that it's an instance where someone is hurt or in danger, so we can tell the difference. And then when we are in the bathroom, we need to talk quietly so our teachers can hear if someone needs help. And when in the bathroom, we need to talk quietly because there are other classes around us. When we are sitting at the morning meeting rug, we need to talk quietly so we can hear the teacher talking to us and hear our other friends around us. And lastly, when we are sitting at the table, at the breakfast lunch table, we need to talk very quietly so the teacher can hear our friends who are asking for more food.